In healthcare education, practical nursing is everything. At Galgotias University, future nurses are trained with advanced digital simulation technology designed with real-world medical excellence.
The digital nursing skill and simulation lab provide students an immersive learning environment where students can practice, master, and experience clinical practices before entering real healthcare settings.
With augmented reality powered by complete anatomy, student can easily access the human body in highly detailed 3D visualization, making complex anatomical concepts easier to understand and retain.
Virtual reality simulation enables students to experience realistic medical scenarios, helping them to build clinical confidence, decision-making skills, and emergency response abilities.
The lab features advanced skill sessions where students receive hand-on training in essential nursing procedures including IV cannulation, CPR, emergency care, patient assessment, and clinical monitoring.
One of the most advanced features of the lab is Noel Birthing Stimulator, offering realistic newborn and maternal care training through high-fidelity training models.
At Galgotias University, innovation meets compassionate
healthcare education,
preparing future nursing professionals for the challenges of tomorrow.